How do you build your family's financial plan? And would you like to have a step by step guide meant specially for Indian individuals and families? I'm going to reveal my step by step process. If you want to know more, then comment FP, financial planning. Just comment FP, and I'll share these points with you. These are specifically made with my years of experience, how one can easily develop. So I'll just take you briefly through how I would present in the guide. Introduction: why most families still feel that they are financially stressed. Step 1: define your family's financial goals. Step 2: understand your current financial position. Step 3: create a family money system. Step 4: build protection before wealth creation. Step 5: reflect on all these 5 points and how you can bring all these steps together. Then the step 5 would be implementation. So first is the planning part and how do you actually implement, and then how do you review. Then I'll give you a closing message how you can put it together and how you can structure the entire financial plan into this session called a structured financial orientation. How you can get in touch with me, have a session with me, and finally I'll give you a closing. So this is all what I'm going to do in this guide for making your financial plan made easy into a guide system. Let me know if you would like to have more such series. This is Taresh Bhatia, a certified financial